This secret AI voice generator sounds ultra-realistic. It speaks with real human emotions. And the best part is you can download unlimited AI voices for free. No restrictions, no limitations. Use these voices anywhere you want. Assalamu alaikum. Masood here. In this video, I'll show you how to generate a new script or use your existing one. Create hyper-realistic AI voices, change voice characters effortlessly, and download unlimited voices for free. Stay with me until the end or you'll miss some crucial steps. Plus, I'll share pro tips to make your AI voices sound even more realistic. Ready? Let's drive in. I have divided this video into 2 steps. In step 1, you will learn how to generate ultra-realistic AI voices. And step 2, I will teach you how to download unlimited voices for free. Step 1, generate ultra-realistic AI voices. First, go to the Play Store and install the Gemini app. Once installed, open the app and create an account. Now, you'll see Gemini's clean and user-friendly interface. See this box? This is where you insert your prompt. Now, you can either generate a new script or use your existing one. But remember, the prompt matters. If you make any mistakes, you won't get the desired result. So pay close attention. Now I'll give you the proper prompts for both methods. Let me walk you through this step by step. First, I will teach you how to generate a new script. For this, type this simple prompt and click on the Enter button. Voila! Gemini starts writing the script instantly. Pro tip, customize the prompt to match your desired video length, topic, and language. If you want a detailed tutorial on writing prompts, let me know in the comments below. Once your script is ready, click the voice icon to hear it.
A clever fox lived near a river. One sunny day, he saw a big, grumpy crocodile sunbathing on the riverbank. The fox wanted to cross the river, but he knew crocodiles love to eat foxes. "Hello, Mr. Crocodile," called the fox politely. "You look very strong and handsome today."
Okay, now I will teach you how to use your existing script. For this, write this simple prompt, paste your script, and hit enter. Voila, you will get the same script to generate voice. Don't worry, all of the prompt and resources link in the description. Once the writing is done, click the voice icon, and you'll hear a voice that sounds like a real human.
The sun beat down on the African savanna. A sly fox, thirsty after a long hunt, spotted a sparkling pool of water.
Amazing, right? But wait, if you're not satisfied with the voice actor, you can change it. Now, I will show you how to change the voice character. For this, click on the profile icon. Go to Setting option. Now, click on the Gemini's voice option. You can see there are various types of voice available here. Click on this arrow icon to change the voice character. Listen to them one by one and select your preferred one.
Maybe I'm your style. I'd be honored.
Choosing a
Maybe I'm the voice that's right for you, but there are quite
I'm another voice in the mix.
I'd be Maybe I'm
It's good if you're curious.
You can always change voices later. I'll be here whenever you're ready to talk.
That's it. You have successfully done the first step. Let's move to the final step and download these voices. Before moving, subscribe this channel to get amazing AI tools review and tutorial. Step 2, download unlimited voices for free. Actually, you can't directly download the audio file from Gemini. But don't worry, I've got a simple solution. We'll use a screen recorder to save the audio. Stay tuned. At the end, I'll reveal another secret AI voice generator that allows you to download voices directly. No screen recording required. However, I have a default screen recorder and I want to use it. If you haven't, then go to Play Store and download a screen recorder app. Open the app and start recording. Now play the audio in Gemini. Screen recorder will record the voice along with screen. Pro tips for better audio quality. Record in a quiet place to avoid background noise. Use earphone for clearer sound. Keep audio volume high for the best results. However, once your recording is done, save it. Since the recording is saved as a video format, you'll need to convert it into an audio file. Go to an online video to audio converter. Link in the description. Upload your video. Click Convert and download the audio file. Use an audio editing tool to remove noise or enhance quality, and you're done. Want a masterclass on AI voice editing? Let me know in the comments below. Congratulations! Finally, you've got a realistic AI voice for 100% free. With this method, you can generate unlimited human-like voices without any restrictions or limitations. Now, click on the right video to discover another secret tool that lets you download voices directly. No screen recording hassle required. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing AI tool reviews and tutorials.